Today I need to go into Swit's local members function. This tool is located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. The member function helps organizations keep track of their employees and provides a complete list of organizational members. Since our quarterly reviews for our employees are due today, I'm going to go ahead and select Direct Message. From here, I can send directly from this menu of members, and I'm going to select Natalie and Ashley. I'm going to send them a message reminding them about their performance review meeting that is happening today. Once I click Send, the message will be sent to them both individually. This helps communication when I need to send out a piece of information to several people on an individual level instead of copying and pasting to each thread, as is the case with other communication platforms. Now I'm going to move to the Teams tab. Teams reflects our company's organizational chart. It is best used for vertical communication between managers and employees. It can also give employees a good concept of the approval hierarchy. This way, they can know which team should approve which ideas. I'm going to also DM our executive team to remind them to submit their reviews before noon today so that the paperwork is prepared before the meetings this afternoon. I'm going to go ahead and create a group for this review session. Groups are useful in bringing together colleagues across different functions and teams for specific projects or purposes. It is utilized as horizontal communication between employees. Groups was uniquely designed to assist task force teams. They are best served on this multi-workspace platform due to the cross-functional team collaboration capabilities of Swit. I'm going to add Ashley and Natalie to this group so I can easily tag them together for the specific purpose of their review. Once they have completed their meeting, I can easily remove them from this group or disband the group altogether. We hope you enjoy our members tool and its many functions. We look forward to hearing how it improves your collaboration.